Hey Romeo, did you hear that? I think somebody's at the door. Let me go check.
Hello, sir. Is this CurlyKidzTV?
Yes.
We have a package for you. Could you sign here, please?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you okay, Romeo? CurlyKidzTV. Hi, Curly Kids. My name is Angel, and this is my brother Romeo. This is CurlyKidzTV. Today we're reviewing Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! Look! Wow! Paw Patrol! It's Ryder! It's Ryder! Ryder! It's open Ryder! Look at Paw Patrol on the road! It's right! The beast is right! My God! Oh, what big show! Nice!
Wow.
Look!
What do you guys got there, Curly Kids?
It's Paw Patrol! Look! Look! It's Ryder! It's a pig!
That's Ryder?
It's Ryder! It's
That's his name?
white! Yeah!
Ryder?
Yeah, this is Ryder, the little kid. Hey, Ryder!
Was this Paw Patrol?
Yeah! We're to take off. Look!
Here, give me 1 second.
Hear
I'll
that?
figure
Is that hear
I'll figure it
that?
out.
Is that hear that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, it's a fire truck and police truck and bulldozer
You said a bulldozer?
and helicopter. Bulldozer? What does a bulldozer look like again? You mean it's cool tires, right? Right, good tires, right? Right, let's go on a mission. There. Raiders. There you go. It's going with this cool Paw Patrol. It's Puzzle Mix. Paw Patrol. Got instructions.
You want me to move this?
Come on, then.
Help Ryder get on.
Yeah.
What is he getting on?
This
Is that a motorcycle, a tricycle, or a four-wheeler?
No, I don't know what it's called.
I think that's that's called the four-wheeler.
Yeah, okay. Look. Is that hear that? You hear that? Oh, go right to Paw Patrol. Look. That's the elevator. Go parking it. Oh, go parking it.
Does that door open right there? Yeah, looks like it does.
One more stick of this.
So that goes, what is that, like precaution?
I don't
Oh, that's the
know.
elevator. That's what that is.
Oh, Romeo said it's an elevator. So, Romeo, you move the elevator, Romeo. Oh, right, it's the elevator.
Romeo, do you like it?
Yeah?
So let's see what we have here.
It's gone.
See that picture right there? You see that image right there? Look.
Oh, it goes right
So that means that this would go
right here. A Paw Patrol.
right there, right?
Uh-huh.
Want to push that in?
Beagle. Uh-huh. And Ryder. Where'd we go?
There we go.
Yeah, I got it. It's Duma.
You know where everything else goes? It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Ryder is this little kid.
What does he do? Like, is he a defender, police, or like a cop, or what?
Yeah, but he tells his friends when he needs to be on a mission.
Oh, they do missions?
Yeah. that like save people, like save each other. Look at the wheel. Like capture bad people.
You like Ryder, Romeo?
I like Ryder. Wait. I like this guy that's the fireman because red is my favorite color.
Red's your favorite color?
Yeah. They're in the Paw Patrol.
Which Paw Patrol character would you like to see in the next video?
Chase. The red one. Chase.
Let us know.
Blue Chase. Blue Chase.
What's the blue guy's name?
This one. A Chase.
That's Chase.
Uh-huh.
What's the dog's name? This dog over here. The orange one.
It's Zuma. Zuma.
Zuma?
Yeah.
What about the girl?
It's Sky.
Sky?
Sky, yeah. Sky.
What about the Dalmatian over here, the fireman?
It's Marshall.
Yeah.
Right here is Bungle.
What's his name?
Bungle.
Bungle?
And the Bungle.
And Ryder. So this guy right here, this is Ryder?
Yeah. Ryder.
And that's Chase.
Yeah. That's Rocky. Ryder will stop. Wait, where's the Paw Patrol? I don't know.
Where'd everybody go?
It's right there.
Yeah. I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
CurlyKids, do you guys like it?
Dropping the elevator, Ryder. Drop off the elevator. Yeah, I'm there. I'm there. Go in the elevator.
Beep, beep, beep.
Go in the elevator, Romeo. Oh, you gotta go right here. And then it will stop.
Why do you squish them? You're so mean. You're so mean.
Go. In the elevator. He just goes right here. And he just goes right here. And then he just do this. And then he just gets off. Oh, the Ryder!
He just flips off?
Yeah. Just flip the water.
Yeah.
Slip. What are you gonna do? Slip in the water. You be my baby. Be my baby.
Be my baby.
Super jump ready. Dead. It's super jump ready.
What is this, plumbing? Like,
She gotta put Ryder inside.
close that?
Try to close that, huh?
Yeah, and then you gotta go away.
Bye-bye.
Where's the button? Where's the button? The Paw Patrol.
The puppet is the Paw Patrol. Going on a mission to save Ray World.
What is that?
It's a substitute Ryder.
Is that a shower?
No, not a shower.
That's a shower?
It's a chair.
A chair or a shower? Looks like a shower.
It's a chair.
Okay, it's a chair.
It's put the
What do you think it is, Angel? What is that right there? Is that like a pool?
I don't know.
Not a shower. Pool.
I think.
So we can wash. So Ryder can swim.
I don't know.
What do you think? Hello. What do you think, sir?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello.
What?
Look at the eyes.
It's a chair.
Put Ryder in there. Coming back from the mission. Just gotta get back in action. Get back in the truck and head back home, guys.
Yeah.
Why are you taking so long, Ryder? You hurt? Is he? Are you calling?
No, he's not. He's walking. Look.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Drive.
Bam!
Bam.
That'll work.
Bam.
Maybe right off the cliff. Don't do it, Ryder. All right, Angel. Well, Angel, I think we have one more thing.
Yes. We have one more thing to show you, okay, Curly Kids? The mystery bag. Mystery bag! Wow, the mystery box! A mystery box. And a box! Oh, minifigure.
What did you get? Can I see it?
I got a different one. Different one, right?
What is that, Minecraft minifigures?
Don't open it. And look at Romeo's. See? Don't open it.
Go ahead and open them, guys.
Open it.
You excited?
Yeah. Try it. Wow, we got Minecraft. Yeah. Here. Get Romeo. Let me help you.
You got it?
Romeo, got yours.
You got it?
Romeo got a bat. Romeo, you got a bat. Hey, Romeo got bats. Here's mine. That's not even open yet. It's bats. The bats.
Yeah.
Look, is that a wolf?
A wolf?
Yeah.
Can I see it? No. Oh.
Bat.
I see.
It's a porn set. A witch. A witch.
What? You got a witch?
Yeah, but I think I want the bats instead, and then Romy can have the witch because Romy likes people.
What do you like?
Bats.
Do you remember where Steve is at?
Wait,
I think I have Steve. Look.
Oh yeah.
And then we have mystery guest.
It's a mystery.
Mystery guest.
I'm two bats. Can you be? I'm being James. I'm gonna kill you, bitch. I'm gonna kill you, you witch.
Is the witch bad?
Yeah. The witch worse potions that hurt you in Minecraft, and it hurt. The potions that the witch throws at you are hurt a lot, and they're like poison. That means yeah. So you need to have a diamond armor. So yeah, I'm a witch. I'm my magic. Not good of the witches. So you need to fight Endermen to get Ender pearls, and then go up the Ender Dragon, kill the Ender Dragon. And go to the Ender City with the Ender pearls and get your wings at the Ender City, cause there's stuff at the Ender City.
What about the bats? Are they bad? Good? I mean.
Yeah, but they're good, and they have 1 health, and they don't even hurt you.
They don't hurt you? Here.
Yeah. I just threw beautiful.
Yeah, so they don't hurt you at all or anything?
Yeah, they get in your way. Hit me.
Oh. Do they do any damage or what?
No. Yeah, they do any damage, but they have 1 health. Alright, Curly Kids, that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.